Hello to all dear friends. I want to say yes. Here, to set up this service, we need to get a static IP address. We should configure it so that whenever we need to work, we can do it smoothly. We can set an IP address here. Should I set it to DHCP? No. That we can set whatever we need to do. That we can do whatever we need to do. That's it. Here we can set an IP address. Our question is, should I set up a git dev store? Git dev. Git no. No. In this moment, we are present with words not yet set in stone. They await to be spoken to gain life and meaning. Here, in this time and place, these words are like a blank canvas, ready to be painted with our thoughts and emotions. Join us in this journey of expression, where words will find their place and purpose. Let us speak, share, and connect through language. These words, though unset, hold the potential to convey our deepest feelings and ideas. Come, explore them with us. Let's select the part of the day. Here, select Next. Click on the option that says Let it stay. Select the option and select Next. Here we have not given the name of our server, although we have half the address of our server, and this part is ours, which is the standard version of Arduino Server 2022. Select Next. From here, we just need to select the Active Directory. Domain Services option. All the features that are required here in our Active Directory. Installation, we select the features to be installed. One of these features that you must have installed is the Active Directory type you have. Now we can install it on another server. Now, in order to install it on a server, we definitely need to check the box for the server role that is available, and we should also install Active Directory at the same time. We click on Active Directory here, and we don't have any other tasks left, so we select Next. Here, we need to select Next again, and we won't deal with the next features. And here, there was another option that we really don't need to worry about, so we choose Next. Now it says that we need to select DNS, which we will need in the next step. And here, there was another option that we really need to select. We have to choose Next, and it says that we need to select DNS, which we will need in the next step. I'll explain it. We choose X, and have to wait for the service to go and cut them in half. Let's do this so that we can restart the automatic servo restoration of the card. What happens is that when the service is installed, it should automatically restart the service whenever needed. We need to ensure that this service is set up correctly. We should analyze its performance here, and we've gone through all the steps. Let's analyze the data. We did everything step by step here. Let's just click the install button for the settings. Here we need to work to have the feature. The Active Directory steps will then take us to the server section where we will create a domain. So here, the service hasn't been set up yet. Now we need to select the domain configuration and create a domain. We're going to choose the New Forest option, and here we can enter a name that we find suitable. For example, we can name it test domain or something like that, and we will set it as C. Now, let's click here, and we will see that our records are created. Here, we need to save a password for them. So I will enter a password here and then click Next. And here, we need to click on this, and we can see that our records are being created. We need to save a password for them. So I'll enter a password here. Now, let's click Next and wait for the domain services installation process to complete. Let's click Next. Let's click Next and wait for the domain services installation process to complete. Here, we again need to use the network without making any changes, and let's click Next to proceed. Here are the files that we need to specify the location for. We need to install it in our directory. Here, we select the paths without making any changes and click Next again. We click Next again, and we will see that these settings are being deployed and completed. Now we need to ensure that the necessary configurations are done before we select this installation. Here, all the steps for the installation process are being completed. We need to wait for the steps to be completed correctly so that we can continue working with the service. Here it needed to have a year. The moment I restarted, I was able to restart Windows and continue working. Here it asked us for a new password, which we created. Now that we have logged into the system again, we must have it. In case the server manager is again running, the system should be frozen right here. Well, here we select the last video. We've set up the domain base 17.3 and 2. Let's enter this level here. And for us, the main level of life rises. Now we can say that you have 3 managers in your hands again. So in the tool service, you can see that Active Directory has been enabled for us, and we can use it in the networks we need. Now, just like I did with the local directory that we created, here is the user service. And you can create user groups and roles here and do the manipulation. Hopefully you'll see it. Yes.